Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. We got a great episode today for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to make some blueberry pomegranate glazed ribs. That lake there. Then we're heading down to Las Vegas, Nevada. So we'll get right into Appies with Chappy by the lake. We got the lake already, so we need a drink. I am going to make a Bermuda Rose. So it's a Martini style cocktail. So I got my cocktail shaker here, and according to my trusty bartender's guide, a Bermuda Rose has 1 1/2 ounce of dry gin, a 1/4 ounce of Apricot Brandy, and a 1/4 ounce of Grenadine. And we'll give that a shake. And we're gonna double strain that into my martini glass. And that's a Bermuda Rose. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake.
Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thank you very much. Get the hell away from me, Mookie, you little hound dog. Come on now.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I completed my blueberry pomegranate ribs. They turned out magnifique, chef kiss. So I finished my Bermuda Rose, so I'm going to make another cocktail. This is called a Between the Sheets. It's a Martini style cocktail, so I got my Martini shaker. Add a little bit of ice. And I got my trusty bartender's guide here, so we'll just check it out. It says 3/4 ounce of brandy. Today I'm using a rum brandy blend. And it's all the alcohol components are 3/4 ounce, so I got 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, and 3/4 ounce of light rum. Today I got Grenadine aged rum, and a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I got freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll give that a little shaky. And of course I'm going to serve it in a martini glass. And I'm going to double strain it today. And I got a lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's an in between the sheets to go with my blueberry pomegranate ribs. Coming up next, we're going to Vegas. Where's my beer? Oh, here. Ugh. Hey, what are you guys doing here?